Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 317 different strategies, with 103 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 215 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,019 indicators, with 424 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, do this and make money trading with the best all-in-one indicator on TradingView. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. And so we will be using just one single indicator in this case, but I think what we'll do is just go ahead and put it under the testing, the strategy testing spreadsheet, and not the indicator testing spreadsheet. Even though it's just an all-in-one indicator, I do feel like it has enough different components that it does build an entire trading strategy and not just a single indicator type setup. And so with that being said, the indicator we are going to use is going to be the DIY custom strategy builder, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to screen and jump into the settings. And what we're going to do is uncheck the show dashboard right here. Scroll down a little bit to the leading indicator. You're going to change that to super trend. Then scroll down a little bit more. Check the EMA filter, the 200 right here. Uncheck any of the rest of these that are checked. All the way down, scroll down. Under the switchboard, make sure that the EMA and the super trend is the only two that are checked. And then scroll down from there. We're going to go down to the MA's line right here. Make sure that these two are the only two that are checked. Change the MA4 to 100. Make sure it's checked to the type EMA. The MA5, change that to 200. Make sure it is the SMA type. Then scroll down. We're going down to the super trend right here. You're going to change the ATR period to 3. You're going to change the ATR multiplier to 1. And then after that, everything else should be on the default settings. And just scroll down here one more time just to double check. Okay, we didn't change any of the rest of this stuff here. Everything else is on default. So go ahead and click OK. Once you do that, you should have, as I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for first and foremost for a long trade, so we're looking for the moving averages to stack up in a bullish type pattern. And so basically what we're looking for is the faster of the two EMAs, so this blue one right here. We're looking for it to be above the slower orange one right here. And anytime that the faster one is above the slower one, that means that the moving averages are in a bullish type pattern. And once that is established with the moving averages, what we are looking for is we are looking for a green dot to appear for the super trend like this here. Then of course that super trend line will continue on past the green dot, possibly. But for now, we're just looking for that green dot showing that the super trend line is starting right here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to set our long trade here. We're going to put our stop right down at that super trend green dot. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see a really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit rather quickly. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is the moving averages to line up in the bearish type setup. And so in this case, what we're looking for is the blue faster moving average to be below the slower orange moving average. And anytime the moving averages are lined up like that, that's going to be a bearish setup and you'll be looking for shorts. And then what you're looking for is the red dot to appear from the super trend indicator like this here. Also, we want price to be below those moving averages. For a long trade, you want price to be above the moving averages. Failed to mention that on the last long setup, but price trading below the moving averages like this here. Moving averages stacked to the downside and a red dot like this here from the super trend indicator. Once all those line up, it's going to be the signal to enter into a short. Put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right at the super trend dot. And we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really quick push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategies. We did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades, putting it at a 38% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. So this setup here, definitely not a great setup. I don't want to knock the indicator because I do feel like the indicator does have a lot of potential, but setting up this way didn't do a great job. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 39 trades altogether. We had 32 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $19,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $10,800. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. We've also been working on a crypto scalping strategy. It's a strategy that has been able to earn a couple $1,000s in the last couple weeks. You can see some of the trades right here. If you're interested in viewing that strategy, the video, you can click the link up in the corner right now and it will take you to that video. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.